Hello everyone, today I will show you how to buy a domain and web hosting to create your professional website. So what is a domain? Domain is a simple name, your website name. Web hosting is a live server or memory. If you want to live your website, you have to purchase domain and hosting. At first, you have to click the video description box link to get this page, shared hosting plans. So we will buy shared hosting and you can select your favorite hosting package, Stellar, Stellar Plus and Stellar Business. For the Stellar plan, you will get 20 GB SSD and you can run 3 websites. Using second plan, you will get unmetered SSD unlimited website auto backup system, and third plan is 50 GB SSD unmetered website and auto backup and cloud storage. If you want to see more details of those plans, just scroll down and you will see Stellar, Stellar Plus and Stellar Business package more details. You can select one plan. I just recommend Stellar Plus and monthly cost $2.68 US, and we will select yearly plan. Then click on Get Started button. Then you will redirected domain name connection page. Then you can select new domain name if you don't have any domain. If you already have a domain, just click second option, existing domain name. I just click new domain name, then new purchase. I want a new domain. Then search for domain. So you can search your domain name, search a name. After that, you have to scroll and select a domain extension name what you want, and that is yearly cost. Then click on connect to hosting and click on add to cart. Then you will see domain registration auto renew. You can active auto renew system, and who is got you can enable it, that is free forever. Then Stellar Plus, this is our hosting package name. After that, you have to click confirm order. If you already have a account in Namecheap, you can just log in. And if you don't have a account on namecheap.com, just put your all informations. I have provided my all informations. Then click on create account and continue. Then you have to fill account contact information. So you just put your company name. If you don't have any company, just untick this and you have to put your address line. Then select your state and select your country and put your phone number. At first you have to select your country code. Then type your phone number. Then click on continue button. Then scroll down. After that, click on continue button. Then select your payment method. First method, you can use secure card payment method. Then you can also use PayPal or account funds. So I just select PayPal. After that, we have to click continue button and verify humanity. Then check it. Then scroll down. Then tick mark this checkbox. You must read terms of service. Then confirm this order using your payment method. Then check your email address. You will receive some email from Namecheap, and this email is your hosting account details. I just open this mail and I scroll down, and this is hosting package details. And I scroll down, and this is our Cpanel login details. Just click on this address and copy the username and copy this password. Then paste it. Then click on login. So this is our primary domain. So we just click on this domain. So this is our blank website. So I want to install WordPress in this domain. So come back to Cpanel and scroll down, or you can search Softaculous app installer in search bar, Softaculous. Then you will see some CMS. So we want to use WordPress. So click on install button. Then you can choose WordPress version. Then you can choose protocol structure and you can choose your domain. If you have lots of domain, you can choose your domain. So I just select this domain. Then blank this directory. We just install WordPress only on this domain. After that, we have to put our site name. Just you can put your site name and site description. Then scroll down. This is our admin username and this is admin password. So you can use your own password. I just hide it. Then type my password. Then admin email. So you can put your email address. You can recover your WordPress account using this email. Then select your language. Then scroll down. You can select plugin if you want to install with WordPress. So I just untick, then scroll down, then click on install button. So install successfully. Come back to your domain and reload it. And this is our WordPress website. So we will log in WordPress dashboard. Just type /wp-admin, then enter. Then put WordPress username or email address and password. Then click on login button. So this is our WordPress dashboard. So we will make tutorials about WordPress and how to create so many websites, how to customize any WordPress themes, plugins. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe this channel.